Fun Facts presents the 1968 Dodge Dart GTS 440 and the 446. It's one of the classic muscle cars that I completely forgot about. I never remember the Dodge Dart as being a muscle car, but I didn't recall the 440 or the 446 either. Holy smokes. The Dodge Dart was first introduced back in 1960. It had a production run of 1976. If you're excited, I'm getting excited. So let's get started now. Okay, back to 1968. Changes for the 1968 Dodge Dart were relatively subtle. The park and turn lights in the grille were moved slightly inboard and made round. Side marker lights were added to the front fenders and rear quarter panels to comply with newly introduced Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard 108. Shoulder harness separate this year and until 1973 from the lap belts. A non-glare matte finish on the windshield wiper arms were also part of the 1968 federally mandated safety package. Chrysler's Clean Air Package emissions control system became standard equipment on old cars sold in all 50 states. The steering linkage was revised again, as were the windshield and rear window gaskets and the trim locks, leaving the 1967 pieces as 1 year only items. The standard rear axle ratio was dropped from 293 to 2.76, with all standard performance engines and automatic transmissions. Part throttle downshift functionality was added as a refinement to the torque flight automatic transmission in the 6-cylinder cars to retain acceptable city performance with a taller rear axle ratio. The Hemi Dart, a limited option for 1968 only, code L023. The Hurst reworked Hemi Darts used the 426 cubic inch 7-liter Hemi engine. These models, only 80 were made, were created strictly for drag racing and included a non-warranty disclaimer. On February 20th, 1968, corporate headquarters in Highland Park, Michigan sent out a press release to Dodge dealerships. It was a promotional pitch proposed at selling drag-ready Hemi-powered darts. The press release stated that Dodge wanted to make a factory-built and ready drag racer out of the 1968 Dart GTS hardtop for competition in Class B Superstock, which is drag racing. Engineers stated that the new Hemi Dart would reach speeds of 130 miles per hour in less than 11 seconds, and the quarter mile 402 times it says 402 m, which is the quarter mile, times in 10 to 11 second range, although times have been reported as low as the 9 to 10 second range. So to keep weight low, a fiberglass hood and fenders were used. The hood featured functional intake scoop and 4 hood pins for full lift-off removal of the hood. Lightweight acid-dipped steel doors where thin side window glass were used. As the doors lacked a window mechanism, a strap was attached to the bottom of the glass on the interior door panel to keep the glass up. The strap latched to the inside of the door. The interior included only 2 bucket seats from a Dodge van. The center console, heaters, sound deadeners, side view mirrors, radio, carpeting, and even armrests were omitted to save weight. The engine was a race-spec 426 Hemi. These motors had a compression ratio of 10.25 to 1 pistons, 4 times stroke 4 plus 1/4 inch times 3 plus 3/4 inch, fed through a 2 times 4 barrel Holley carburetors atop a lightweight cross-ram aluminum intake manifold rated at 425 horsepower at 5,000 RPM and a maximum torque of 490 foot-pounds at 4,000 RPMs. A high-performance Mopar battery was moved into the trunk to free up room and improve weight distribution. Darts could only be ordered with either a 4-speed manual or 3-speed automatic transmission. Manual transmission equipped cars code A833 featured a Dana 931-44 built heavy-duty axle with a 4.88 gear ratio, heavy-duty clutch, steel bell housing, and special torque shaft and pivots. Manual transmissions were modified by removing synchronizers, which lowered the chances of missed shifts. A first floor-mounted shifter came standard. The automatic transmissions were then the new Chrysler-built 727 Torque Fleet 3-speed with 831/44-inch large stem pinion center section with a 4.86 gear set at a 2,600 RPM high-speed torque converter. They were also modified with a floor-mounted Hurst shifter for manual shifting. Other features included heavy-duty rear shocks, heavy-duty radiator, and a 7-blade fan, a deep groove pulleys and high-capacity oil pump, solid lifter cam, and roller timing chain to reduce stretch and provide more reliability performance. The transistorized dual points breaker distributor coupled with a Presto-Light ignition and solid core wires were also used. The car weighed approximately 3,000 pounds. The cars were designed to meet street legal requirements, but due to modifications, the cars came with disclaimers that they were not street use, but rather supervised acceleration trials, or also known as drag racing. And the 2-door sedan was dropped at the end of 1968 and replaced with the Swinger 2-door hardtop for the 1969 available custom GTS trim. Also added was the Swinger 340. Well, if you found yourself this far into the video, we certainly like to thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch our video. And if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. It really does help our channel. And if you like our channel, please subscribe, because if you like old school muscle cars, we'll be doing all of them. They're all